Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on SQL Views. In this video, we will learn the syntax of creating a view and go through a simple example. Let's get started. First, let us understand the basic syntax of creating a view in SQL. Create or replace view followed by view name as select columns, maybe column 1, comma, column 2 and so on, column n from table name where condition. Here is what each part means. Create view followed by view name as, which defines a new view, and select column 1, column 2, column 3 and so on, specifies the columns to include. From table name indicates the source table, where condition is optional, which filters the data. Now let's create a simple view for students table. Suppose we have a students table and which consists of a student ID, first name, last name, address and age. Now we want to create a view that only display the student name and address. So I'm going to open MySQL editor. Let's create a view. Create view followed by student info as select first name, comma, last name, comma, address from students. This command creates a virtual table named student underscore info that contains only first name, last name and address columns from the students table. Once the view is created, you can see it just like a regular table. I'll show how to use the view. Select start from student info. Yeah, here is the output of the view. This retrieves the data from the view instead of querying the original students table. It's very simple and efficient. If you can see the actual original student table, select start from students. So before creating the view, you should see the table should be existed with some records. Now out of this, I have retrieved only first name, last name and address as a view. That's how you can create and use a view in SQL. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.